Yes, we are live. Hello, guys. You're welcome back again. Yeah, it's quite a while, like the whole weekend, Saturday, Sunday, not being live. Was I live on Saturday? I think maybe I was live on Saturday, but not on Sunday. Yeah, I think so. Well, guys, you're welcome. Welcome on the Betong crypto. The market is still looking somehow, dazzling, left, right, Bitcoin doing it stuff, Solana killing it above $200 today. You know, Ethereum, just following the footstep of Bitcoin. But Ethereum, has lots of liquidity. So today I want us to look at the entire crypto market and see what holds for us this week, first of all. Secondly, I want us to deduce if, say, Solana is going to surpass Ethereum or Solana can surpass Ethereum in terms of market cap. We're going to discuss that today. And also, I'm going to recommend you guys to hold a certain number of or a certain amount of Solana that might really change or make a difference in your portfolio if, say, actually Solana flip Ethereum. So today we're going to discuss all this stuff. And if you have your cryptos that you want me to analyze, you want me to look at, feel free to share with me. And I'm going to do my best to look at them. Meme coins are killing it. Most of the meme coins I share with you guys are under fire, like mooning, making us amazing gains. Those of you who are joining here for the first time, feel free to go around and look at some of the content that I've created on this channel. See if it interests you, then subscribe. You know, share with your friends, and those of you who are always here with me, as usual, you're welcome. Yeah, yeah, it's the same train, nothing more, nothing less. Let's dive into this. Actually, right now. Okay, what I'm looking at right now is coin market cap, and you can see if say we scroll a little bit down, you see Solana and Solana now is number four. Okay, let's say we take out Theta because Theta is a stable coin. No, so let's focus on. Let's just say Solana is third now, and BNB is fifth. I don't think BNB is gonna catch Solana. Like I don't think BNB might catch Solana short term, but I think Solana is gonna be on fire. And we're gonna discuss why Solana is on fire. But before we do that, let's first of all look at our famous crypto bubbles. Today we're gonna find out if say we can get some new tokens here. If say we have time, right? But if there's no time, then it's okay. We're gonna look at that some other time. But let's go to the top 100 coins and see what is going on here. Which coins are doing well for the day? Actually, Jupiter is doing okay. Avax is doing okay. WIF is doing this meme coin. I think there's no stopping this meme coin. 2.7 billion. Dog with heart. I saw another one. Cat with heart. This coin is now sitting at 2.7 billion. I think let's just go and check out something, guys. Maybe this coin has surpassed. Let's see. Has this coin surpassed Floki Maybe it's around now 46 in the crypto space. It's like these guys want to go towards they want to get to the market cap of Shiba Inu, something like that. Like they are pumping every day. This coin is pumping every day. You can see if say we go so today is up 10%, the week 32%, for the month 647%. So it's like there's no red day for this coin. Everything is in red, right? So let's just go into our Bitcoin stuff. Let's look at Bitcoin. Look at this. My prediction for today is that Bitcoin is gonna go get to $69,000. Like this dip we have seen right now, Bitcoin is going to $69,000, no doubt. You can see from the liquidation heat map. Let me refresh this. If say this is still the same from what I'm seeing here, guys. All these are all possibilities for Bitcoin going to that price point. Is not actually 100%, but looking at that, I'm seeing that there's a lot of liquidity. Okay, yeah, Bitcoin is gonna go there to for the next 24 hours. Bitcoin is gonna go to $69,000 at least. So if say you are holding some altcoins, stack those altcoins. Bitcoin is going to actually get there for you to make some profit as soon as you can. Okay, let's move to the chart of Bitcoin. I mentioned to you guys, I think that was the week, during the weekend. By that time, Bitcoin was still at the POC. I think it was still at the POC. And I mentioned to you that if Bitcoin is not able to, bounce from the POC, looking at this volume profile, I think price is going to come to the value area and low. And if price get to the value area low, then it's an area to buy. You can see price has bounced from the value area and low, and price is now around the POC. So if say I look at this, I think price is gonna break the POC because right now price is sitting at the alpha trend, and we haven't seen anything like sell signal on the alpha trend. And price is still like holding now, like right now above the alpha trend and in between the 5 and the 13-day moving average. So this is actually bullish, even though price is below the POC on the volume profile. So I would say that if I go like, let me just go to the 4 hours time frame. Look at the 4 hours time frame. You can see actually this is gonna be more of a head and shoulder pattern. You can see, or maybe I would say some people will call it W formation. Like they'll like do it like this. Okay, but I think this is like head and shoulder. Look at the 4 hours time frame. So actually, I think this is a buy scenario right now because whoa, what I'm actually seeing here, guys, is price can even get right up to 71 or $70,000, and even it can get to even let's say right up the POC around $72,000. So if it happens that price is gonna go to that zone, $72,000 or $7,000, we know what will happen with other altcoins. They're gonna pump, also. So you want to be looking at some altcoins now that you say Bitcoin is gonna be pumping. You can take advantage of the pump, and make money from that altcoin. So I think if I were you, that's what I'm gonna be doing. Now looking at the altcoin that can really make me some gains when Bitcoin is pumping. Then the altcoin can also pump the same, not like the same, but more than Bitcoin. So this is it. All right, looking at now, Solana and Ethereum. Solana is unique in what they do. Low gas fee, a lot of meme project on the Solana ecosystem. Let's manage to see if say we can find the Solana ecosystem here because there's lots of meme coins. Let's go to category and see if say we can get to. But let me not go there. Let me just go directly from here. Solana ecosystem. Why should I go to this category? So if I just get to here, Solana ecosystem, and instead go to, you can see here memes are on fire. Solana ecosystem is on fire. Gaming is on fire. AI is on fire. So if you actually understand how this narrative works, how to play around with the memes, the Solana ecosystem, the gaming project, gaming coins, AI coins, they are pretty like almost the same stuff, like AI, gaming, memes, all the stuff, the hype. I think most of these coins are found on the Solana ecosystem, right? So this is it. I think, am I on the Solana ecosystem? I don't think so. Let me see if I can refresh this page. Am I coin sector by this Tron ecosystem? Okay. Let me see if I can get to Solana ecosystem as soon as possible. Let me see. Okay, now this is Solana ecosystem, and you can see we have Chainlink, we have Render. All of these coins are pumping, or when they are pumping, they are helping Solana to go. Like Dog with Half, I think these meme coins that are on Solana, Dog with Half. We have also Bong. Let's see if we're gonna get the other one. Book of Memes. All these meme coins, they are the reason why Solana is actually really pumping. Of course, Solana would have pumped, but these meme coins have fast forward Solana's pump. Because some people have to buy Soul to swap with this meme coin, like the book of memes. I talk about this coin in the community. It went right up to about 2 billion, and we have many of these. Like there are many of these meme coins. Yeah, if say we go downward, you're gonna see you find like Mirror also. There's many of these meme coins that are found on Magatron. You see like all this meme when Smoke, like these coins are really doing well, guys. Look, Smoke is around the top credit coins. Maga is doing well also. So these are the reasons why, or this is the reason why you see Solana is, the prices keep going up. And I'm gonna actually recommend that you hold at least one Solana. Holding one Solana now can really make a difference if say Solana is flip Ethereum market cap. Let's look at the market cap right now of Ethereum. Is at around 400, or like almost going to 500 million. And if we look at Solana, it's just peanuts. Look at this 90 billion. But Ethereum has 420, or let me just say almost 500 billion. And if say Ethereum get to about $8,000, maybe we can see Ethereum market cap go to 1 billion. And before that happens, I think we can see Solana really do well. So if Solana is gonna go to Ethereum market cap, then we might see $1,000 Solana. Someday in the future. I think this year we can even see, we can like in no time we can see Solana go to $500 per Solana. So holding one Solana right now is gonna be good for like holding sake and also swapping some Solana meme coins or Solana tokens. I think this bull market is gonna be driven by Solana. Last time, we saw a lot of project on the Binance ecosystem. We saw Binance calculate to the upside. So maybe Ethereum is sorry, maybe Solana is gonna be the leader. Ethereum time is over. We saw meme coins that like Pepe been launched on Ethereum and other meme coins. That's it caused the price of Ethereum to move like drastically. But this time around, we are seeing it happening with Solana. So I think Solana actually can overtake Bitcoin. Like meme coins are gonna be here to stay. Gonna be the casino of crypto. So yeah, the top ones are gonna be there, but the young ones are gonna like make their way, try to make their way to the top. But this Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, they have made their name and they have a huge community. They have utilities. These other, meme coins don't have any utility. I think that's the reason why Solana is pumping and Solana is gonna surpass Ethereum. Those of you who haven't yet followed me on Twitter, this is my Twitter. You should follow me on Twitter. Let's build the community on Twitter as soon as we can. Give me about 5K following on Twitter. Let's build this community. So, guys, looking at Bitcoin in general, looking at the market, I'm not gonna lie to you that the market looks so bullish. Bitcoin looks so bullish. Bitcoin is gonna get to 69,000 and maybe to $72,000, and we can see Bitcoin go right back to about $75,000 before it can move right down to 55. Okay, let me show you guys something also here that you should pay attention to. And this is gonna be the chart of Bitcoin. The reason why I always want you guys to pay attention to what I say is because what I say impacts altcoin. And I know you guys are like heavily into altcoins. So looking at this right now, I will say that on the 4 hours time frame, we might not see any major movement with Bitcoin until this moving average is reset. So we can see Bitcoin price get to $64,000, you know, forming a divergence, yeah, before moving to the upside. Or if we zoom out, you can see here that like let's go to the daily time frame. Maybe I can, or yeah, this is the area here around this zone. So we can see price actually come here around $62,000. It's possible looking at the fact that the bottom moving average is here. So pay attention to this, guys. If the price is not able to go and make higher highs, I can see looking at this 4 hours time frame, there's some vector candles here that price are yet going to recover. Because price are going to recover, they might push price there, or maybe bring price to kiss this bottom moving average before they can take it back to the upside. But in any case, I think Bitcoin still remains bullish. And if Bitcoin remains bullish, then we want to see Bitcoin, the price of Bitcoin hold, structure, keep holding this structure. Right? Even if price break this structure, like break come down here, price will be able to hold this structure here, like this area. If price is able to hold this area, then maybe we can start seeing break of structure. So this is the area that no matter what happens, we want to see Bitcoin below $61,000. If we see Bitcoin below $61,000, then it's not good for Bitcoin. It means Bitcoin has broken structure. So no matter what happens, we want to see Bitcoin stay, in this range, in this let's say 60,000, 60,000 range. So that's the area where I think I want to see Bitcoin to sit at. If you have any coin, guys, let me check my message. I like Sol, but 12 billion is too scary to think of it. Going higher, it has to retrace. I am so bullish on Reef. I don't know why. I remember when Sol was just $18. Yeah. Also, I had 10 Sol. I sold it, kept 2.97. I am dropping 500 of Rift. All those money, who cares? I'm gonna be honest with you. So, like let me tell you something. Let me tell you a little bit of the story. Um, Look at like let me come closer. Look at this. Solana is like let's look at Solana as let's say Apple Play Store, right? Then let's say Ethereum should be no. Let me say Ethereum is Apple Play Store, right? Then Solana is Google Play Store, right? they are competing with each other in terms of like scalability, interpretability, fees, all this stuff, right? And we also have other, you know, other applications that other blockchains, that are trying to compete alongside, Solana, Apple, and I'm just using an example for this, in this case. And look at Reef. Reef is like an application running on either of this platform. You understand? So having Reef is not a problem, but you having Reef without either Solana or Ethereum is a problem in a sense that Reef should be where you go and make that money, right? But Reef is gonna be so volatile in a sense that once you make that money in Reef, there should be a platform where you can actually protect that money. Right. So I invest in Wave. I invest in Wave, but I'm not gonna sell my Solana to buy Wave if only like if I don't see that Wave is gonna make me more Solana. I don't know if you understand what I mean to say. Like, it's not as if Reef is a bad project. No, Reef is a very good project. I love the project, but I cannot sell my Solana just to buy Reef. Like Reef, I'm gonna sell my Solana because I've seen that, Reef can make me more Solana. And this is a play. This is what I do with Bitcoin. Let's just go to Reef and see something here. Let me just check the chart of Reef quickly. You know, right now we've having the good, I think in like okay, you see, I saw Reef when Reef was pumping. I didn't actually buy it before it pumped. I bought it before it pumped. I sold it, you know. But I missed out on this huge pump like that. So I told myself that I'm gonna wait a little bit for retracement. Why I waited it was because of this vector candles that I saw here. There were so many of them, green, 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 and nothing was forming again there. So I was like, okay, because this is forming like this, I want to wait for some sort of retracement to buy. So right now, I think I have to buy, more Reef. But one thing I want you to understand with this project is, if I look at the weekly time frame, let me zoom this a little bit. You see the upside for this project is crazy. Like, oh man, like I can imagine how much money, but the chart is not sustainable. Let's see if we can bring in let's see we have a good okay, but the chart is not sustainable. Like you see, even though it is like, but we don't have enough history to help me to want to keep this coin, and there's not that huge momentum. But I would say that the coin can make us really good gain, and the idea of this industry is to make money and keep it. Don't make money, like don't fall in love with any project and think that the project is gonna make you money and you keep that money. Now those who are there who actually are in love with the project are those who are developers of the project, those who created this project. Maybe it's a company, or like they are doing some stuff. I don't know what they're doing. Actually, I don't really know detailing what Reef is doing. But I just love the chart. I've done some quick analysis and so on. Let me not say I don't know it completely. I've forgotten what they are really all about. Maybe I just go. Let me just go quickly and see if I can pull out the about section of Reef here. Let me see quickly. Reef. Let's see. And also you can see, like the rank is the top, like among the top 500 coins, and it's on the Ethereum blockchain. Wow, the upside for this coin is really great. So yeah, as I was saying, it's the same thing. If you're buying something like this, it means you wanna mint more Solana, mint more Bitcoin, you know. And once it pumped and give you that profit, you cash it out. Then you wait for another retracement. You buy again, you pump, you cash it out. That's how I play with altcoins. I don't play with altcoin. I don't stay with there. I'm not gonna, if I see any pump, I'm gonna wait for retracement and a buy again. Reef is a reliable, extensible, efficient, fast layer one blockchain for DeFi, NFT, and gaming, built using substrate framework. Okay, so it's more of a DeFi play. Okay, I see that. I see. So maybe they are positioning themselves as the leader of DeFi, the king of DeFi. Yeah. Okay. I agree, but Reef has much room to grow. Solana is at crazy market cap. Everyone is looking at BTC. Have BTC at 18 Okay, I sold half. I got to be smart. Yeah. You did it right. You sold half. But again, I'm not saying that you should keep all your money in Solana. What I'm trying to say is, if you have to buy, you sell. Like, I don't hold much Solana. I don't hold much Solana. I play with altcoins, and like the way I do, I swap. Like, I'm always swapping this coin, that coin, this coin, Bitcoin. This I'm always swapping. I do this full time. So I if I'm swapping my Solana to buy Reef, is because Reef will pump like that week. I've seen that Reef has strength, and Reef is gonna be pumping more than Solana. So I keep some in Reef, and when Reef get to that like pump, and I see that it has gotten to a point where we're gonna see some retracement, pullback. I'm gonna sell, sell, buy something else. I don't stay in these altcoins for a long time waiting for like something big to happen. I'm gonna catch the pump. In the beginning, I won't catch it. If say Reef has to pump, you know, I'm gonna catch the pump. In the beginning, I might not catch it, but I'm gonna catch it along the way because I know what to see to get into any real pump, right? So looking at this right now, looking at what I just showed you, they are looking at their, let's see, what about okay? Looking at the upside, it's great. Still has room. The rank is for 500. So I think there's more upside for Reef than Solana. Solana is gonna be moving like that, but again, Solana can get to $1,000. If say you are able to mix like hold at least one Solana, then it gets to $1,000. That's pretty decent profit as well. You know, of course, you can make more from altcoins, but it's pretty decent profit from someone who, is an investor, and they don't just want to bother themselves. Within a year, they can make really decent money with that. Okay, I don't know if so you guys have any question, any stuff you want me to look at. If not, then I'm gonna call this a go for today. Tomorrow, maybe I think maybe today evening I'm gonna be live again. I don't know exactly, but you guys should let me know if say you want to see me again here today evening at night. Like, let me know at the comment section. I can see you guys. Let me know where you are watching from. If you are watching from Europe, the States, Africa, Asia. Let me know as soon as you can. And again, guys, as usual, don't forget to subscribe, like this content. You know, you could like this content, it's gonna help a lot, for the YouTube algorithm to push the content to reach out to more people. I'm sweating today, it's like really hot inside here in Sweden. So I'm feeling really hot. I have to go and maybe get some fresh air. Okay, I see no question. It means you guys are okay. So let's call this a go for today. See you guys tomorrow, today evening, or maybe tomorrow same time. So just let me know if you're part of my community when you want me to be live. All right, guys. Bye bye. Ciao.